Corresponding angles are the result of two parallel lines being cut by a transversal, and you see angles sitting in the same position. So this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. If we take a look at angle 1, alright, and I'll take yellow here. So angle 1 looks like this. If we were to take this and drag it or translate it, we would be able to place it exactly at angle 5. Those two angles are corresponding. Corresponding angles are congruent. They're angles that are in the same position. So both of these angles are on the left side of the transversal, the red line, and both of them are above the parallel line, which are the two black lines. So corresponding angles, the first pair in my example will be angle 1 and angle 5. Another pair, as we change the color, we'll go with green next. If I take a look at angle 2, and now I'm going to trace its shape. So here's how angle 2 looks. If I were to go down to what? Angle 6. Those two angles look identical. So angle 2 and angle 6. Alright, as we continue on to look at corresponding angles, we'll change the color and let's take a look at blue. If I look at angle 3, let's trace and see how it looks. Alright, if we were to trace down below here, we'd be able to see that angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding. And finally, for the final one, let's take a look at angle 4 here, seeing its shape. And as we trace down at angle 8, we can see those two are identical, so angle 4 and angle 8. Let's take a look at the example that was given for you to select as your final answers to turn in for this problem. Alright, so as we look at these parallel lines, if I trace angle 2, alright, angle 2 appears to look just like angle 6, so you can give answers of angle 2 and angle 6. Alright, let's see if we can find another pair. We'll do red this time. Let's take a look at angle 1. What angle looks like angle 1? Angle 5, very good. So angle 1 and angle 5. Let's continue on now. Let's take a look at angle 3. Our angle 3 looks like angle 7, or is in the same position as angle 7. And then one final one. Let's take a look at the measure of angle 4, or how angle 4 looks. It appears to be in the same position as angle 8. So because I drew mine almost the same, you notice that our answers are the same. Alright, so here are the answers that you may submit for this problem.